In today's video, I want to show you how to connect TeamViewer session codes. Now, we're going to take a slight detour just in case you're trying to find out why somebody else can't set it up. So of course, the first thing that we need to do is create an actual session. So inside here, we will be able to name our session. I'm just going to leave that as is. And you'll see we've got session codes and session links. You can just click on send an invite though, and you can put in the person's email that you want to invite, and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can give them either the link or the code, either or. So we're going to go with email. That's the easiest way. And when you're done, just hit invite and start. Or alternatively, you could just hit start. And now we'll be brought to this screen. So again, we can share these codes if we haven't already. They are on screen. And in the meantime, we'll just be here waiting for them to join. Now, of course, if it's going to be a while, you can close out of the screen and you'll see over here, you're still waiting for the user. And again, if you need those share codes, you can just click on the three dots here and you'll have them again. All right, so now the person who was sent the email just needs to go to their email and it'll have one from TeamViewer and it'll have a join session button. Simply click on that. Once they do that, they will be brought to their browser and they will see this screen. So what you want to do is just click on launch application. Now, of course, for me, I will get a message saying that the session is not active because I literally just invited my other email address. But the actual person that you're sending it to will immediately join or will be prompted to download it and then join. They need to have the app. And that is pretty much all there is to it, guys. It's seriously very straightforward, but I do thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting us. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. That helps us grow, and I will see you in the next video.